So, let's get out, my friend. What's up, guys? It's me, it's your boy, it's amazing Breezy again and again and again and again, you know what I'm saying? If you're not ready for that, I don't care. So, hey, I don't want to talk too much right now. It's the second video, second tutorial. You gotta learn again. Another footwork tutorial, not another banger, another footwork tutorial. Okay? This tutorial has two versions, okay? And the name of this tutorial is this combo. It's a footwork combo, sorry. It's called Jota, okay? It's called Jota. It's a French appellation or something, and it was also inspired for me by one of my French rapper artists, okay? Yeah, so there was a song even about that, so yeah, I think. So there are two, there's Jota 1 and there's Jota 2, okay? They are basically the same start and then they end a little bit different, and then you can combine that with some other stuff, okay? So, hey, I'll show you first Jota 1, and Jota 2 is going to come in another video. Yes, I guessed that. You guessed that too. Yes. So, Jota 1. Jota 1. Very easy. Footwork, you know. Let's go. You remember, you need to, I don't say name. I said nothing. You need to, I said nothing. You bend. That's all. Now, here you go. Let's go. First, I'm going to show you Jota footwork. Let's go. You bend, okay? Slowly at first, and then I'm gonna show the normal speed. So it is that's it. Okay, I'm gonna show it one more time, slow and then normal speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. Now I'm going to show you a little bit normal speed, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys, are you ready? Let's go! Just kidding you. So, let's do it. First step, you bend. You bend. Bend now. Bend now. You bend, bro. You need to a little bit, either you juke, like the Jamaicans say in dancehall, you juke. But you bend, you want to go a little bit in your knees, okay? You don't dare support too much upright, okay? You bend. We use our right leg here again. Right leg. You take your right leg and then you go, you're gonna put all your weight on your left leg, okay, but you're a little bit bent. And what you do is take your right leg, take the tip of the foot and hit to the side, as if you are just lifting up and putting it down, but you want to do as if you want to also kick a ball, but you just go and tip to the side, okay? It's end, okay? End, again, okay? You see, I'm always going a little bit bent, okay? So you go, and then you come back on the foot, or you go on the heel. Okay, if you go on the hill, you're going to be quicker. Whoa! If you land on the hill, you're quicker in the movement. If you land on the complete foot, you need to make sure that you remember, you recall what comes immediately after that. So it's N1 or N1. Okay, I would advise you first to go on the complete foot. So you go N1. Now what you do is step forward with the heel and then back on the foot, and 2, okay? And for you who ended here on the heel, what you do is just go again 1 and then 2, okay? So we have again together, and 1 and 2, again slowly, and 1 and 2. When you do it like this, there is not too much dynamic because we're doing it a little bit static, but there's a small dynamic about the whole body. So it's, oh, my PC just went on. Oh, what's that? The hacker news. I don't care. So again, you want to go as if you are here. You add the dynamic use. It's like you want to step on your left foot first, take some momentum here, and then go and 1 and 2. Okay, so it's lift your leg up, step, then use that momentum, and 1 and 2. You must not do that. It's going to come with time, okay? learn that principle first, okay? And 1, forward, backward. Now what you do is take your left foot and cross over, okay? You want to cross over here. Either you tip, or you go on the complete foot, or you go on the heel. Depends on how you feel, okay? You can do heel, you can go complete foot, you can go tip of the toe. And then you go back to the side. But this time you go a little bit more wider, open more, okay? You can come here. It's going to be a little bit difficult for you to continue. But if you feel like coming here, it's fine. But when you cross, go a little bit more wider. You see, it's like step and then open. Very good. We are almost done now. We are almost done. So what you do after that is getting hard. And 1, and 2, and 3. Yes. After here, 3. When we land up here, very easy now. What you do is just jump and cross. Yes. That's what you do. Again, we have and 1, and 2, and 3. And when you step here, better to land here, not on the complete foot. Okay. Previously I said on the complete foot, but for it to be more easy to you to go into the next movement, it's better if you land here on the tip of the toe, because you're going to use that. Push yourself on the ground and jump and cross. Okay. And okay, it needs to be a little bit weird. You're not actually crossing on the same spot. You're crossing and jumping a little bit to the side. Okay, so you're here. So your right foot want to go where your left foot, your body want to jump to the side your left foot was. Okay, another time. Together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. You get it? Because if you don't get it, forget about it. Forget about it. Again, one last time, and let me continue, because it's very easy. We're almost done. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4. When you are here, you know what comes after that. One easy move. It's one of the most used move in Afro House. What you do, it's kind of inspired from the pas de bourrée, but there's another dynamic with the upper body. So you want to take your right foot and go on the tip of the toe, okay, or the foot, it's fine, but it's more appreciable that you go on the tip of the toe and then you do a pas de bourrée and use your arm. So you go and you just pull your foot back and step back here inside, but when you step back there inside, you go in the pas de bourrée and do the same thing with the other side. And okay, the normal steps is like this, and okay, you really want to do that a little bit bright. It looks more beautiful, but if you can, don't waste yourself, don't exaggerate. Okay, just need to understand the principle. Okay, because we end it like this, we end it a little bit cross, but normally the movement is like so. Okay, it's like the pas de bourrée. You step a little bit to the side, and this time the normal pas de bourrée, but this time you want to just open without the arms first. You want to tip of the toe, then you use that momentum because you're going to the right side. When you come back, the body already goes to the right side. Then you cross, and then you come back. Okay, and then the same thing with the other leg. And step, step, step. Let's do that together for some time. So we start with the right foot. We go and pull back, step, step, and back, step, step, to the side, back, step, again, side, back, step, step. We do the same thing, but now we use our arms too, the upper body. So we want to widen ourselves and then come slowly, smaller, smaller, okay? So we go, we are wide, okay? And when doing that, go a little bit sideways. Don't just stay upright and to the front, okay? You want to go a little bit sideways, present your body sideways. You pull inside, bam, bam. Okay, you see the dynamic inside. Tick-tack, tick-tack. Okay, this movement, this step is very easy. Okay, you just need to go into the dynamic, understand the pas de bourrée, and then you're done. And they're back. Okay, so from when we ended here, you do just one. Okay, one of that step of that pas de bourrée, just do that once. Okay, do the right side only. Okay, again from the beginning, you go and 1 and 2 and 3. You jump and close. Now you do just one, and 5, 6. When you end up here, what you're gonna do is 2 half circle, okay, like in the ocho. You do 2 half circles to open and go to the front, bam bam, and then you're end. Then you're good. That is the Jota 1. The Jota 2, I almost previously explained that in these videos, but I think you guessed it right, okay? Again, from the beginning, Jota 1, we go. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? You add the sauce to it. Add your sauce to it. We're gonna do it sound of music. One last time, slowly, and then do it quickly and then on music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we do it a little bit quickly. Pace up, normal speed. You ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You are not ready. You are not even ready for this. You are not ready. Now we do it on music. Mata. Are you ready? Quickly. You go directly, quickly, quick. Pace up, normal speed. 2 times. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you ready? One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. This was Jota 1. Just learned Jota 1. Jota 2 is almost the same, just the end varies. I almost showed you that in the video, like I said. But see you in the next video for Jota 2. It was your boys, amazing Breezy, you know, okay? Learn the combo, practice. In case you have any question, write them in the comments. For my German Community, ihr mag euch, keine Sorge, ihr müsst einfach runterschreiben in den Kommentaren, dann mache ich das auf Deutsch. Easy peasy. For the fresh guys, bah c'est comme vous voulez, hein, c'est comme vous voulez. Faites signe, si vous voulez que ce soit en français, c'est au calme, il faut calme. Pap, je balance le truc côté go et puis c'est bon. Also, ja, für die Deutsch sprechen, ich werde das sowieso auf Deutsch hochladen. Ja, weil das mir auch so wichtig ist, dass es in verschiedenen Sprachen dieses Tutorial gibt, dann ist es auch bestimmt für die Deutschsprachige das leichter zu lernen. Also von daher werde ich das auf jeden Fall auch machen. So, I want to thank you for taking time to yeah, just watching my video, sharing, learning from me, and also sharing, learning from others and also sharing, you know. So yeah, just continue what you're doing. You are all amazing. Subscribe. Don't forget to share. Activate the blog or whatever. I'm not really good at that YouTube stuff. I don't want to. I like teaching and, you know, tasting and sharing with everyone. I'm not good with this YouTube stuff. But if you know anyone who's good who want to help me, I'll be glad. Okay, so yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Jota 2 coming next time. So take good care of yourself. Peace out.